Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today, we will explore 20 multiple choice general knowledge questions based on human body that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity. Are you excited? So let's start. Question number 1. Which bone is located in the lower leg and is also known as the shin bone? A. Tibia, B. Fibula, C. Femur, and D. Radius. The correct answer is tibia. The tibia or shin bone is the larger and the stronger of two bones in the lower leg. It supports most of the body weights. Question number 2. What is the function of the cornea in the eye? A. Detect color, B. Focus light, C. Regulate tears, and D. Control pupil size. The correct answer is focus light. The cornea is the transparent dome-shaped tissue at the front of the eye that helps focus light onto the retina. Question number 3. What is the largest artery in the human body? A. Pulmonary artery, B. Carotid artery, C. Aorta, and D. Femoral artery. The correct answer is aorta. The aorta is the largest artery in the body, carrying oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the rest of the body. Question number 4. What is the medical term for the voice box? A. Trachea, B. Pharynx, C. Bronchi, and D. Larynx. The correct answer is larynx. The larynx, commonly known as the voice box, containing the vocal cord and is responsible for producing sound. Question number 5. What is the primary function of platelets? Option A. Carry oxygen, B. Clot blood, C. Fighting infection, and D. Produce hormones. The correct answer is clot bloods. Platelets are small cell fragments in the body blood that help with clotting and preventing excessive bleeding when blood vessel is injured. Question number 6. What is the term for the soft tissue that connects bone to other bones? A. Tendon, B. Cartilage, C. Muscle, and D. Ligament. The correct answer is ligament. Ligaments are strong, flexible tissues that connect bone to other bone at joints. The human body has around 900 ligaments. Question number 7. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordinations? A. Cerebellum, B. Medulla, C. Cerebrum, and D. Hypothalamus. The correct answer is cerebellum. The cerebellum is a part of the brain that controls balance, coordinator, and other complex motor functions. Question number 8. Which gland is often referred to as the master gland of the body? A. Pineal gland, B. Pituitary gland, C. Thyroid gland, and D. Adrenal gland. The correct answer is pituitary gland. The pituitary glands control several other hormones glands in the body and regulates important functions like growth and metabolism. Question number 9. Which part of the eye controls the amount of light entering? A. Retina, B. Cornea, C. Pupil, and D. Lens. The correct answer is pupil. The pupil controls the amount of lights entering the eye by adjusting its size in response to light levels. Question number 10. Which organ is responsible for producing insulin? A. Liver, B. Pancreas, C. Kidney, and D. Stomach. The correct answer is pancreas. The pancreas is a glandular organ in the abdomen that play a key role in digestion and produce insulin, which help regulate blood sugar levels. Question number 11. Which hormone is responsible for regulating sleep cycles? A. Adrenaline, B. Insulin, C. Dopamine, and D. Melatonin. The correct answer is melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone that your brain produces in response to darkness. It helps with the timing of your circadian rhythm, 24-hour international clock, and with sleep. Being exposed to light at night can block melatonin production. Question number 12. What type of tissues connects muscle to bones? A. Ligaments, B. Cartilage, C. Tendons, and D. Nerve tissue. The correct answer is tendons. Tendons are strong, flexible, fibrous tissues that connect muscle to bone or other structure like the eyeball. The tendon help move bones and structure, and they also help prevent muscles injuries. Question number 13. Which of the following is responsible for body temperature regulation? A. Skin, B. Muscles, C. Brain, and D. Liver. The correct answer is skin. The skin play a key role in regulating body temperature through sweating and shivering. Question number 14. Where in the human body is femoral artery located? A. Neck, B. Thigh, C. Arm, and D. Abdomen. The correct answer is thigh. The femoral artery is a large artery in the thigh and the main artery supply to the thigh and leg. The femoral artery gives off the deep femoral artery and descending along the anteromedial part of the thigh in the femoral triangle. Question number 15. Which part of human body is primarily responsible for the absorption of nutrients? A. Small intestine, B. Stomach, C. Large intestine, and D. Pancreas. The correct answer is small intestine. The small intestine is a vital part of the digestive system and play a key role in the nutrient absorption. It is a long colloid tube-like structure that connects the stomach to large intestine. Question number 16. What structure in the brain is involved in regulating sleep cycle? A. Thalamus, B. Medulla oblongata, C. Cerebellum, and D. Pineal gland. The correct answer is pineal gland. The pineal gland is a small pea-shaped endocrine gland located in the brain. The primary function of the pineal gland is the production and the regulation of hormone melatonin. This hormone helps regulate the body's sleep-wake cycle, also known as circadian rhythm. Question number 17. Which organ in the human body is responsible for producing blood cells? A. Heart, B. Liver, C. Bone marrow, and D. Kidney. The correct answer is bone marrow. Bone marrow is a soft, spongy tissue in the center of most bone that produce and store blood cells. Bone marrow produce new blood cells including red blood cell, white blood cell, and platelets. Question number 18. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin K, C. Vitamin B12, and D. Vitamin C. The correct answer is vitamin K. Vitamin K is a group of vitamins that the body needs for blood clotting, helping wounds to heal. There are also some evidence vitamin K may help keep bones healthy. Question number 19. Which of the following is the responsible for the transmission of oxygen throughout the body? A. Plasma, B. Platelets, C. Hemoglobin, and D. White blood cells. The correct answer is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen from the lungs to the body tissues and organs, and carbon dioxide back to the lungs. Question number 20. Which part of the human body is responsible for regulating emotions? A. Brainstem, B. Cerebellum, C. Medulla oblongata, and D. Limbic system. The correct answer is limbic system. The limbic system is a group of structures in your brain that regulate your emotions, behavior, motivation, and memory. While small in size, your limbic system has a big job to help you interact with the world around you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.